When I find myself
This is why
in
we
trouble,
talk now.
Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me,
By your side.
speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Don't slow.
Let it be, let it be.